is against the tradition. When the pastor, we are going to preach. Who do a capato, who do a rapato, who do a praise the Lord, praise Jesus, every praise.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today I say make I enter social media and I see say Pa Eddy social media president in the live video. When they talk about this genocide matter, you understand? So when I come the listing, my God say make I listing small. I know say genocide ever since we in with a woman they separate the thing they read the pain for body not be small. The thing they read the pain like seriously. So my ogbonge people, so I can't say Pa Eddy come out they beg Winifred say may you forgive your husband. This thing what you they do so it not good. It's not good because all of us they say genocide is not really happy like the thing really they pay now. Una know say they can't go school again. They can't give her can't go school of a daughter. Nah, he even passed the exam. Even congratulations, sef. Yes, woman, Winifred, even still give am the congratulations. The thing can't say shocktalize me. Oh, I can't even see the one that say, what you genocide can't do Winifred like this way be say, even congratulations, even give am. So, even a party, if you can't talk and just now, it can't diverse. But one swear when they can't swear for Winifred just now, I know just like him. At all, I put am on a fair listing first before I go talk.
Italian who are one responsible person in Canada. No rakbe wa vien. La wo. Genocide is a real man for you. Nyoe awa we ni me. Anybody no am we na we Canada ni e ya awu yo wewe. Motai. Wa we nu bia omoni awu yo awu yo wa. Be genocide.
God forbid bad thing. That's where a Pa Eddy swear. So that's where Ash I beg. A Pa Eddy that's where Ash I beg. Do you understand? You not go see there happy if you see that kind of thing, eh? The swear is really too much. Say a Pa Eddy say if Winifred go follow another man and the day when he go try and say make him sleep with another man, he said that man go meme for her chest. He said if he say make it born for another man, he said that pikin go die. No, a Pa Eddy I beg. You that cause you return am, eh? It never reach like that. Husband and wife they quarrel now. If you not still work out, not be by force. You can't force person. Make you go day with who you don't want day with. Winifred and small pikin will be say he play see day she never play finish. According to the way the whole thing be, according to genocide na him mama na they tell her what she want do, and I pikin when they listen to him mama well, you understand? So all those swear when you come they swear now, Pa Eddy now you person when I like well, but this swear too much. I beg Pa, I beg.
No, I'm a prank now. I do. I love my chatty. I love my full husband. Since then, if another man, he could just say yes. I don't get other. We must win before the Sagake on way. And to Sagake, a party in here. We don't take it anywhere. I'll put you now or I told you. Oh my God, yeah. Yeah, we go home.
According to now, we know the year Benin. Wetin a Pa dey try talk be say make Winifred go settle with your husband. Say this thing wey he dey do so e no good. Say if he come out for am come do saga with am, he no go like am at all. But a Pa one thing wey you no understand be say you can't force person. You can't force love. You no fit force am. If she talk say she no dey marry again, nobody go fit force am. Even this saga what you want to do now, even though you still do am, if she talk say no, no is no. You understand? If na person wey wan settle, if I don settle since, you understand? The one thing about this woman be say, if you with Genosage get misunderstanding, the first thing wey she dey first dey do na to go change her surname. The way me look am now, play don dey when I no see her birthday, the kind big people wey come celebrate her level don high. She no dey the one wey Genosage dey again o. And the way where he dey now, e dey different. And he with Genosage na two different people na dey be. So make Genosage go find another person. Genosage na still cute guy on their own. You understand? So Winifred, they look herself, say she too fine because say she dey bleach. Say indeed too fine because of all those Oyibo where those grammar way they speak. You understand? Winifred, you know see where want do a birthday. So Winifred leveled up, it don't high. So she know your level Genosage beggar now, like she not go settle again the way me look at me. You know even want Genosage again at all. So Epa, that's why you dey swear for and just now beg. It did too much, It did too much.
Winifred, my yapé ma je pité momi la dia. On a ga saga le temps pas tiara la dia Fred. Winifred oh, tu Genosage Winifred. Ye ma ne piseta siara la dia. Egbe momi hero abe yeke momi nia. Ma yapé ma je pité momi la dia. On a ga saga le temps pas saga le dia. Donc pas que because my wife we do.
Epa say if they fall out for and the saga in mama, him go the saga in mama for this, another person go the saga in mama. He say man no go get peace o. I see the tell her now, see me go settle and no go here. Epa, you not go feel force this woman. She don't move on. Now they say person when mad don't go pay Elib gutter for make it go do her birthday. Person wey kind of wan come celebrate for a birthday. That one still dey Genosage side. He don waka, he don go. Make Genosage just go for another woman. That's what I see am o.
Well, oh why no head pastor ni. He go why the key. He go die where no ya me Genosage. No e ko yari odore yewu.
A person na him mama, na Winifred mama, na he cause am wey be say Winifred no gree settle. Say him mama say if he settle, say she go meme, you no go try and settle. So now he make she not gree settle back.
When Genosage, he you well on it. Mutia no have. He you well on it. Genosage to the near by where. He a quality Genosage. They work already are denied. That woman did well in night. And Genosage get your money jail. Oh, the one make we. He's a Winifred. He's a Winifred. So you can hear you get what done. He's a Winifred. Are you sure?
According to Epa, Eddy wife say Winifred mama and the papa no dey together again. So she wants maybe say pikin go still do the same thing like her own way be say she fair marry, she not still dey husband house. You see one make pikin not still dey husband house. Na wetin Epa Eddy wife now come dey tell Epa for there. So I don't want to make this video too long, my darling people. Anything you wanna think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Any update again, I'll see content Luna. Thank you. Bye.